Southbound 19.580, speed about 80 miles an hour on the side shoulder, traffic moderate. 1726. It's a silver VW 4-door. Alpha Hotel 60 Delta Delta.
Updated 1020.
Still southbound, coming up on northeast, pushing northeast, signal. White SUV, still driving.
Halfway good on point, southbound.
Speed's about 100 on the front road, coming to northeast section.
100 northeast, Coachman.
Slowing down for the red light.
Slowing down for red light.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Off your hands right now! Hands up! No! Hey, take the key out! Take the key out! Hands up! Hands up right now! Hands up! Roll the window down! Roll the window down! Hit pit on the front road, one at gunpoint. Hey, turn the car off! Turn the car off now! Stop! Stop! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Hands up! Put your hands up! Keep your hands up! Okay, stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Get your hands off the wheel! Stop pressing the pedal! Don't press the pedal! Don't do anything! Stop! 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 He's trying to get the car restarted. Stop! Stop! Hey, keep your hands up! Stop! Hey, stop! Stop! Hey! Quit it! Stop! I'm 10-4. He's trying to get the vehicle restarted in the grass. He's stuck right now, just trying to put the vehicle in drive. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! On the Frontage Road in front of the Burger King in Domino's. Hands up! Hands up! This one I got one. It's a black male with short hair. Stop! reaching! Stop reaching! Hey, get out from behind him! He's still trying to move the vehicle, stuck in the grass. He won't open the doors for me. Turn the car off! Turn the car off! Turn the car off! Okay. Yo! Yo! Turn the car off! Turn the car off! Okay, now stop moving. Don't do anything, okay? Alright. Stop reaching. No, don't turn the car back on. Stop fighting! Stop fighting! Stop fighting!
Oh, you motherfucking
Hey, I got the taser out.
You got it? You want me to let him go?
Wait, hold him.
Come on, I need your help. I need your help.
You ain't gonna stop.
I need your help. Stop, man. Stop. Stop, dude. You're stuck.
Don't give a fuck about that, dog. I got his right. I'm 10-4, I got some people helping me restrain him. We're in the middle of the frontage road.
Oh, man. Everybody. Somebody took my money. Yeah, he just took my money, man. Resisting aid.
Maybe you should not resist, bro. Not no more. I'm not resisting.
What happens when you break the law?
Hey, listen, all right, slow down, darling. Give me your other arm. You're already in cuffs. Okay.
He's on it.
Listen.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna roll you left a little bit. Give me your other arm.
Gotcha. I'm on. That fucking arm out of there. Playing games over here, blocking up traffic.
Hey, don't know if I'm keying out the backup. Step it down. Huh? I didn't see a person in there.
What?
Hey. Alright, turn around.
That guy took some.
Okay, turn around.
Some money out my bag.
Okay,
Look, she's right there.
okay.
No,
Right now, look at me.
Took out some stuff and put some ladies in my bag. The lady's right there. Man, he put some stuff and took some stuff out my bag. He did. Yeah, he took my stuff. He took my money. I don't know what he put in my bag. The white guy that was standing right there.
What color shirt?
Blue shirt, short shirt.
Alright, let's go.
You guys ain't gonna check on this man taking my stuff?
Huh?
You're not gonna check on my stuff?
Right now I'm dealing with the crime you committed. Because if you didn't do all this, we wouldn't be right here with him, right? Alright, let's get in the car.
46. What's your head? And then
lady's trying to tell him that everybody's saying no, but the lady of video tape, he got him on video, he took my bag. He put some in the bag and he took my money out of the bag. Some white guy with shorts, he looked like...
White guy? Oh, but wasn't the trooper?
No.
Oh, okay, just want to make sure.
No, but I'm saying it's a civilian, he's seen him with my stuff, and I'm telling him...
Dude, I was 120 in the shoulder. That's me, I mean, if somebody said they want to blind, sorry. Traffic doesn't come for me. Okay, I'm going to ask you, do you know your social?
I can't swallow.
You're familiar with using me, you know me?
Hard for me to swallow. You can't swallow? Hey,
Hurt or is just
listen,
dry?
I'm not bullshitting y'all about my bag. I want to know where that guy went at with my bag.
Yeah, I heard tail end of that. I don't know what you're talking about. He just reached in and took it, or what?
He had the bag, like the bag when they some guys try to help this officer grab me or whatever, and while they was grabbing me, like, tussling with him and shit, one of them grabbed the bag and threw the bag. He threw it over to like the sidewalk. The guy looked a little scruffy.
How far down were you?
I'm like right,
Close to the car, right
there, but I seen him took the money. I don't know if he took my wallet, but he put some in the bag. He took some out of his pocket. You know what I'm saying? Like replaced it with my yeah. What they charging me with, man?
I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I parked right there. See how far back I am? I don't know anything about this. But when she's done, I'll let you know. I can tell you one charge. Probably playing a loop.
Damn.
Anything else?
Why the
That's not a question for me.
Why I get the free loop?
3 times. Driver without driver's license.
No, I got my license though. I got my license.
It's still revoked. It's revoked.
Right now?
It's not suspended. It's revoked.
No, I went and got my license because I got in trouble for it and they was going to give me 24 months. And they told me in order for it to get done, I paid $3,200. I got it. I got everything reinstated. I got all my paperwork and everything.
Unfortunately, in the system appears like your driver license has been revoked, and you're driving without driver license already 3 times. So at this point,
no, but that's what I'm saying. I got it.
No, I get.
It turned into a felony, and then they told me if I want this to go away, all I got to do is go get the license.
Yes, I get what you're saying. However, we don't have any driver license, nothing valid. So at this point, I'm going to follow what they...
What is it saying is revoked off of the what?
I don't know that one. The only one I can see is okay?
Okay.
I have the information. Do you want me to show you? Of course, just give me 1 second. Okay.
Yeah.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.